So hello and welcome you all to sailtomdsacademy Academy. Now dear friend, only 7 days are left for your NEET MDS. And this video is purely for you people. I want that you should not do small mistake which cost you the majority of loss of mark. So please watch this video. It is not going to take your more time. It's a video of hardly 5 to 7 minutes. In this short video, I will cover what are your feelings right now, how you have to deal with them. Second, what not to do. You have to avoid few things. And third is what to do. And last, a topic on what you should do a day before examination. So dear friend, we'll start the video with one small story. Everybody knows Sachin Tendulkar, a great player. He has played many memorable innings, but if you ask him, sir, what is your favorite inning, he will tell that Sharjah 1998 innings. So you know, we have to, India have to chase a target of somewhere about 280 to 85. So when Sachin was going to bed, before 5 to 10 minutes, he was perspiring heavily. He was sweating, his hand was sweating, he was shivering. Then coach has told him, Sachin, be relaxed. Even if you not achieve the target, it's okay, but don't take so much tension. Then what Sachin told? He told that, sir, this is normal thing. This is the positive thing. This perspiration, this shivering is positive, that I am going to get the target. And he got the target on that day. So friend, if you are feeling very anxious during this time, take it easy. Don't worry. This is common. This is a sign that you are going to get through the NEET. But dear friend, don't feel underconfident. Okay, and don't feel overconfident. Be confident. Okay, many of you will be partially confident right now. Means they are going to get or they are not going to get. Don't think about that. Leave on the God. You have given your best. Just your work is to give your best, do examination of 3 hours and leave everything on the God. You should be confident. Tell yourself every day at least 5 times, I am going to be in top 100 of the NEET MDS, and you are going to be. Then what not to do? First, comparison. Don't compare yourself with your friends, with your seniors or anybody. Whatever they have studied, it's their job. Whatever you have studied, it's your job. Focus on what you have to study. Trust on your books, trust on your notes, trust on what you are going to do. So that's comparison. Second, timetable. I always say in all the video, have blueprint. But dear friend, now for 7 days, don't have any timetable. Go with the flow. How much you can do it, go for it. Have adequate rest. Don't go for the sleepless night. Be tension free. Okay? Don't make timetable that I am going to do this much this day. Do how much you can do. So the added pressure will not be there on you. So don't make timetable. Don't compare. And third, social media. You use social media hardly for about 30 to 45 minutes. Keep your internet off. Don't go for the unnecessary doubt solving and concept solving nowadays. Whatever you are going, go with it. You can give 30 to 45 minutes to some good YouTube videos or your channels or any good Facebook discussion group or WhatsApp group. But don't give more than 45 minutes. Don't watch TV. Don't focus on unnecessary news and shows which will disturb yourself. Then exams. Many of you are associated with the institute. They are going to take your exam for 3-4 days or 1 week before. Please don't get overconfident if you are getting good marks, and don't feel bad if you are not getting good marks. My institute has already stopped taking exam from last 10 to 15 days to make students feel secure. Okay, so don't rely too much on examination nowadays. Just study. Then what to do? Now you have to do the past papers. Last 5 years, NEET and AIMS paper you have to do. How you have to do the papers? You don't have to read the detailed explanation. Question, answer. Like that you have to do. Repeat as many times you can do it. Your AIMS, NEET, SRC paper, PGI paper. How much time? Just go on repeating and studying them. That will boost up, because when the repeat comes, you should not waste your time in thinking about that. The repeat should be right. Then second, important points from notes and synopsis. So in a day, give 2 to 4 hours for your notes and synopsis. I always tell that your notes are your Bible and Gita during your examination. So that will be helpful to you. Read few important points of synopsis which you have marked, which you are feeling you cannot go through, like some values are there, data materials value, which you feel confusing. So please focus on those points only. Unnecessary detailed concept, go in detail of study, don't do right now. question, answer and few numerical points. Then a day before examination, I want my student, you should take adequate rest of 8 to 10 hours. Okay, stop studying means after from the evening time. Give yourself a relaxation of 10 to 12 hours. Whatever has to be done, you have done in the past year. Now you have to focus on your mental strength. When you go to the examination hall, never ever take book and discuss with your friends what the answer of that question can be, or this can be. Be away from your friends, those who are discussing during examination. Be at a quiet place, focus on your strength, keep yourself telling that I am going to get first, I am going to get top 100 in the NEET MDS. So dear friend, no worry, no tension, just go with your flow, give your best, trust on God and give your examination. So all the best, and I want that you should give all the exam properly, and while attempting the paper, please don't keep review questions many. You can keep hardly 40 to 50. Okay, don't do guessing work in the beginning. First solve all the questions which you need to solve. Please bank yourself during examination. You should know that how much risk you have to take. So negative marking are there, so please take a note of that. Okay friends, so all the very best for examination. I hope you all who are watching the video and all my dear students should get the NEET and they should be in the top 100 of the ranking. Take care till then, have adequate rest, don't take tense. Any doubt, anything you want, you can WhatsApp or mail in the description box given below.